free lawnmower, 425 twin cam. We got a leaking tire, 2-bin bagger. Oh. Yeah, let's take a look at it, right? We got a light switch. 20 horsepower Kohler. It's actually better than whenever I get a free lawnmower, it's a Briggs. Some oil in there.
Dad! Mommy, come out! Mommy, come over! Daddy, look far away!
Mom don't care about lawnmowers, bud. Just me and you. It has an hour meter, but
Take this out! Take this out!
I don't know, bud. Let's see. Neutral, brakes over there. So it's a hydrostatic. That's cool. We got PTO.
Take it. I'm walking.
Got a little bit of room to work my way. There's nothing. Got parking brakes and stuff over here. And I don't got no hours or nothing when I turn the key. Gonna have to charge this.
Me come up here.
Get up if you want to. I got nothing going on, and I think it might rain, so I don't even want to throw the charger on it right now.
Oh. Come up here and I walk.
You watch. You're doing good. Let me go get a battery. That's 12.8.
No,
Let's go with it.
the which part do you eat? Which part do you eat? Part.
Let's start looking at these wires. There's our fuse. Can't stick my finger in there to check it. I'm just gonna jump it through here. Fire. We don't know if it works yet, bud. No, not yet. That dying is probably the fuel solenoid. I don't know how this thing's really wired. Or that fuse could have came loose. Yeah, the fuse came loose. Alright, so I need a fuse. So, free lawnmower. Yeah, it works, bud. Needs a fuse.
What do you mean, why are you?
Not in the rain, bud. It's in the rain. I'm going to let it charge up. And I need to get a real fuse because this thing's coming loose. I don't got it in there good enough to try to put it in there one-handed. smoking. That could be anything from leaves to mice to.
Smoky. Smoking
Let's
down.
buy the muffler too. So.
Good talking to you.
Yeah, it's actually coming right off the muffler somewhere. Can't really see in there, but most likely a mouse nest. But free, 20 horsepower, 42-inch cut, Toro.
That's it.
196 hours. So, taking this off. Oh, there it is. Seems to be the case with every riding lawnmower. See if I can see what was smoking besides that. Well, hopefully they didn't run it too long with it like that and this happened afterwards. Then you got a chance of a head gasket. Stuff like that happening, but just gonna blow that off. See if there's any mice in there.